Sabi ng iba, architects are definitely expensive. Number one misconception ng iba. An architect charges based on his talents, experience, imagination, and type of professional service. So you can't expect naman yung newly passed architect is mag-charge ng mas mataas dun sa mga well-known or famous architectural firm, no? The logic is architects has different facing and target market. Based on SPP Doc, SPP ba? SPP Doc 202 ng UAP, there are many ways naman kasi on how to compensate or pay your architect. Number one is yung percentage of the PCC or the project construction cost. Definitely, it will range from 5% to 10% ng project cost natin. Let's say meron kang 10 million project, no? So, 5% of that is 500,000. Number two is yung multiple personal expense. Number three is yung professional fee plus expenses. Number four is yung lump sum.